You've had treatment to straighten your teeth. Tell me how you feel now that it's finished.
Oh, fantastic. I mean, they were very crooked at the bottom.
Sure.
I felt quite goofy at the top.
Sure.
So quite often if I was smiling, I would, you know, sort of like keep my lips together. But I do smile, you know, constantly.
Sure.
You know, showing my teeth all the time, and,
So
that's been noticed a lot.
So it's not just about the teeth themselves, it's the fact that it's actually changed how you
Definitely,
behave and what you do.
Very, you know, if there's a camera around, I'm in front of it now. That's true.
whereas before
I wouldn't have, no.
You hid from cameras.
Yeah, I'd keep my sort of lips together, so that's made a big difference.
Okay, so it's really all about confidence, isn't it?
Yeah,
and
definitely.
then you can walk into a room and say, hi, my name's Sarah, and big smile, and it's all fine.
Yeah.
So before treatment, tell me a bit more about what your teeth were like before treatment. You said that...
Very crooked at the bottom, so that lip would always stay up.
Sure.
Rather than sort of smile like that. And at the top, they were more, you know, they came out a bit more, and there was a couple that were smaller.
That's right.
They were built up, and so that stopped giving the appearance of them being more goofy. So they all look like the same size now.
Yes.
And amazing difference when I see the photos before.
Yes.
And when I show people, they say, oh, I didn't realise your teeth were like that. And then I show them before and after, and they can't believe the difference.
Do you know, that's what a lot of people say. They say, I can't believe it was so bad beforehand, and I didn't do anything about it.
That's right, yeah.
What would you say to other people who haven't had treatment, even if they're adults? You know, what would you say to them?
I wish I'd done it earlier. And every time I got older, I kept thinking, is it worth it? I'm getting closer and closer to 40. Is it really worth it? And then actually now, I wish I'd done it years ago, but I appreciate it a lot. And I just think you've just got to do it because it doesn't take long.
Sure.
And once it's done, it's fun.
You've got that confidence then with your smile properly and everything else.
Yeah, really good.
Well, you were a brilliant patient. It's quite hard work having treatments.
Yes.
Can you tell people who are watching just you know, about some of the things you had to do when you had the treatments?
I think it can be hard work, but you notice the change so quickly, which keeps you going. I mean, you know, first of all, having the brace in, it was difficult to eat, but after a while, it gets easier. And every time you have it tightened, that's a bit of an ache. But you see it then change so quickly. For me, I was waiting to get to the next appointment and like, see it all change. So it can be sometimes uncomfortable, but if you listen to the wax on and everything, it's okay.
And do what you're asked, and then it all works out.
And mine never broke at all, and it never broke, and I was fine, so I was quite happy with mine.
Fantastic. Well, I really hope it has changed your life, and that things are, you know, you're really happy with it. Is there anything else you want to say about your treatment, or?
I'm just really pleased with it, and I had my brace off just before I went on holiday, which was chuffed to bits with, and then I had photos all the way through, but it really did, it was a big confidence boost.
It sounds like you had a great holiday after that then. Brilliant, well thank you very much for coming in, I really appreciate you coming in. We'll catch up with you another time.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.